3D printer jam in the courts hours before the online release of blueprints for 3D guns. A federal judge hits the pause button, but is it too late? Some of those instructions are already out there.
CBS 2's Mai Martinez shows us in a city like Chicago, it's obvious why law enforcement are so concerned. Mai.
Rob and Erica, some members of law enforcement say these guns can be difficult to detect and nearly impossible to trace. That means in the wrong hands, they can be powerful and potentially deadly weapons for criminals or terrorists. They're called ghost guns, plastic guns including AR-15 style rifles created using 3D printers. And a Texas company wants the public to have access to blueprints, even going as far as suing the government to allow it.
You cannot regulate the digital material of guns anymore. It's out there.
The government settled the lawsuit, clearing the way for Defense Distributed to make the blueprints available online. But 8 states and the District of Columbia filed a lawsuit to block it. And more than 20 attorneys general, including Illinois' Lisa Madigan, wrote a letter to the Trump administration asking for intervention. President Trump later tweeted, "I am looking into 3D plastic guns being sold to the public. Already spoke to NRA. Doesn't seem to make much sense." Tuesday evening, a judge issued a temporary restraining order blocking the release of the downloadable blueprints, a move welcomed by Chicago police, who say the plastic guns can pose a real threat to law enforcement and the public.
This is an opportunity for people who are prohibited from possessing legal firearms to own these types of guns that in no way could be traced back to them.
What kind of threat would this pose to an event like Lollapalooza, given that these weapons are plastic?
Absolutely, it's a real problem because they cannot be detected by by metal detectors or wands.
But Ahern says the cost might prevent some people from making the 3D guns.
Even though they may have the blueprints to make these guns, they still have to have the means.
And if anyone is concerned that 3D printers like these at the Harold Washington Library might be used to make the plastic guns, workers tell us plans for anything that is 3D printed have to go through them first. And they also point out the 3D printing process can be very time-consuming. For example, this small dinosaur took about 25 hours to print. Before the judge's temporary restraining order was issued this evening, more than 2,500 people had already downloaded the blueprints for the AR-15 style rifle in just 3 days. Reporting live in the control room, Mai Martinez, CBS 2 News. Rob and Erica.
All right, Mai, thank you.